So now let's see how we can go around and save an announcement as a draft for future use inside of Google Classroom. So over here you can see that I have this class opened up, and over here in the announce something to the class section right here, you can go ahead and type something. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say welcome to the classroom, and I'm going to go around and say please check the classwork section for important materials right here, just like this. So I can go around and type this in, but let's say what I want to do is I want to save this out for future use, and I don't want to go ahead and use this post immediately. In that case, what you can do is you can click on the down arrow right here, and then you can see that save draft is an option over here. So once you do that, you can see that the announcement is saved out. So if I were to go around and navigate somewhere else, and let's say I were to go around and re-log in back to that particular classroom, then you can see the saved announcements over here. So I can go around and expand this, and here you can see that welcome to the classroom and please check the classroom section for the important materials is still there. So you can go around over here and post it whenever you want right here. Similarly, let me just go around and say okay, you have your assignment due, and this is a reminder. So let's say I'm going to go around and type this in right here. You can go around and save this out as draft as well, and this is how you can go around and save out multiple announcement as draft, as you can see, so that you can simply expand it and then use the draft you want whenever you want. If you want to go ahead and delete a draft and you're sure you're not going to use it, then you can simply go around over here and click on the dustbin icon right here and delete it out right here, and then the draft will be deleted, as you can see, and you only have one draft right here that you can utilize. If I were to go around and utilize my draft right here and post it, then what happens is that it gets out from the draft section and is posted into the classroom, just like this. So that is how you can go around and save out announcements as draft inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.